Customers of SBI, Yono and HDFC's digital banking app have been quite upset lately over the last few months, as there have been numerous glitches with the apps in terms of processing UPI, net banking transfer, NEFT, RTGS transfer, as well as certain credit card transactions. Now, in the case of HDFC Bank, there was major power outage on November 21st, which saw again numerous customers complaining about their transactions being held. SBI Yono experienced something similar just a few days ago, and then we've seen numerous tweets on the various platforms reiterating customers' dissatisfaction at the poor performance of this digital framework. Now, what's happened is that these banks have seen huge surge in digital volumes, and perhaps HDFC and SBI would be controlling the largest portion of digital transactions, then followed closely by ICICI, Axis and Kotak. So it seems that there is a situation where investments are not being made to the adequate amount, and companies are in a sense being reactive rather than proactive. Now, we're saying this because a proactive bank would develop all the necessary infrastructure, make all the investments. Ultimately, a lot of money has to be spent in order to ensure that you have enough bandwidth and server space to house all these transactions, and it seems, and power for that matter. It seems that these are the three areas where HDFC Bank is lagging behind, and this issue has happened with RBI warning them a couple times before that they need to adequately invest before they onboard new customers, which is why in the latest announcement by RBI, they've actually barred HDFC Bank from adding any new credit card customers or adding any new digital features to their digital banking platform, also introducing the new Digital Banking 2.0 platform. So that's a serious warning that they are a bit fed up with the bank's attitude towards ensuring that digital transactions happen smoothly, and that they've said, okay, until you get this sorted, you cannot add any more customers. Now, while HDFC Bank has said that it will not really have any material impact on the financials of the bank or the business of the bank, I mean, credit card is a blowing up segment. If you look at the way SBI Card and other companies are performing, it is an increasing trend, which I'm sure any large bank would hope to capitalize on, and a halt on acquiring new customers for even a month might severely hurt your other income and your alternative revenue streams as a bank. So that's something that they'll be keen to resolve very soon. Something similar is happening at SBI, where they're unable to handle the load, and then there's been an issue with the app. So again, over here, what one wonders is it a matter of making investments? Is it a matter of not having the technological know-how for such a big surge that we've now seen post the pandemic? Do we need to be better prepared to onboard a large volume of customers? Do we need to set up our system so that we can handle very large volumes of UPI, both on the transaction volume and the transaction value front? These are all questions that need to be answered before we take any definitive view over here. And we've written to both the banks to hear what they have to say about it. Neither has gotten back to us in a concrete fashion, except to say that business goes on as normal and this will not have a material impact, and that they are resolving it as soon as possible.